Okay, I've started the recording actually. See, one of the main reason I wanted to have this live session is that even though some of you have already member, you're paid member actually of the course that I'm conducting, but however, I'm seeing that there is very less open rate for whatever reason. Even there are a couple of things which are missing, but nobody reached out to me saying that these things are missing actually in the course, which really tells me that people have not spent time in going through those items. So I thought looking at the pattern, it's good to have some of these live sessions to get you started with this. So because some of you have already seen me using the mind maps, how I send the notes and other stuff, so you're aware of the mind maps, right? How exactly it's going to benefit. So let's get started. Some of them I would also try to pick the bunch that is having that we are able to get it in the mind map sessions or course that I'm already recorded. Some of them I'll pick it from them. Some of them would be more of an interactive session that I would like to hear from all of you. Okay, so before we get started, I will post one link here where you can start um, putting your questions basically. So I will see if I can start answering them one by one. Just allow me a minute. So that would be the overall thing to maximize this, to get started with this. And also if you have any questions, either I'll be able to answer this here, or if I'm not able to answer any of them because of the time constraint or whatever it is, I will actually we can take this in the next session. Okay. So before we get started, most importantly, I want to understand from all of you, how many of you have actually gone through the session, the course videos that I've shared it. Be honest, okay? So that will tell me that will actually help me in making, to structure how exactly I want to go ahead with this. If you have seen, you have not seen, no problem, say you have not seen, you want to get started. And if you have started but you are not able to continue for whatever reason, you can tell me that as well. Just type in, if you have started, type in started. If you have not started, type in not started. That's okay. Not seen. Okay, Sridhar says not seen. Thank you for being honest, Sridhar. Yeah, Sridhar says not, almost to end. Prashant says almost to end. Prashant, you can actually send it, put it to everybody, need not be to me separately. No issues. Not seen. Chandani says started. Okay. Okay. So most of them, 50% not seen. Okay. Most of them not seen. And only handful of them have started. Okay. Let me tell you one thing. If you're not at all started, which means that, we have not understood the importance of the mind map, or there is your why is not strong enough. Okay. So the first few minutes I will spend my time in making your why strong, because the moment you make your why stronger, automatically other things will become, you'll start actually getting started with us. Okay. So while we are doing this, okay, this will also demonstrate how you can actually start building the different contents online, even though you're not completely have any ppt or anything that sort available, right? So what I'm going to do is, while we are doing this, while we are discussing the various topics, I'm going to start typing the different contents what we are seeing in the mind map. Okay, so you will figure out how we can actually start preparing these things in a runtime, right? So when you actually look at from the mind maps point of view, so why we need to actually get started. So I'll tell you practically how I implement this and how it has really benefited to me. Okay. So 21st century, how many of you believe that this century, 21st century, belongs to the people who are actually upskilling constantly? Just type in upskill. If you believe this is the word for upskill, just type in upskill. Yeah, Praveen says upskill, Palni says upskill. Correct. So Prashant also says yes, Sridhar says upskill, and Chavan sir also says upskill. Correct. So now things are changing very drastically with COVID coming in picture. There's a different way in which you have to think, different way you have to act, different way you have to upskill yourself. Now, lot of things, that is coming into your mind. There's so much of information overlaid. You need to actually decipher the one which is not required and what is required, and you have to keep the ones which is required. That is the most important thing, and you have to pursue and build on top of it. Now, when you want to start building when you want to upskill your thing, so let's understand how our brain works. The brain works on the principle of use it or lose it. Like if when we are back in our schoolhood days, right, childhood days, we had this Darwin's theory, right? Use it or lose it. The same thing applies here for animals. They've lost so many different organs because they're not using it nowadays. The same thing happens to humans also. If you don't use your brain, I mean, any specific skill, you'll start losing. Which means, if I have to explain this in a simple manner or in a layman's language, the way the brain works is that it is like a pot. In the pot, if you actually look at this, you have a pot. The pot is filled with water. Okay, the pot is filled with water, but however, it has a hole in it. Okay, it has a hole in it. So it has a small hole, small holes which are there that you are not able to visually see it. So what happens if you have a pot, and in the pot you have put the water and you have a hole in it? What happens, guys? What happens? If you see the water goes out, type in leak. If the water stays, type in stay. What do you think will happen? Do you think water will be there as it is in the pot with the hole in it, or water will leak out? It will leak, right? Water will flow out. Correct, absolutely. Palani says it will leak out. Praveen says, Chandini says, and Vijaya says, everybody says the water leaks out. Absolutely. The same thing works in our day-to-day life also. In your brain, whatever you're learning, that learning is like a pot that has a water in your learning is like a water which is in the pot. It has a hole. Every single day, every single time, there is a decay that is happening. The water is going out of it. The moment the water goes out of it, absolutely what happens, your knowledge, whatever you have learned, also goes out. So maybe spending a few thousand, few lakhs of your rupees, your money, hard-earned money, your time, resources, everything you would have spent to learn this, and it's as good as that. You have taken a pot which has a hole. You keep on putting the water. No matter how much water you will put in, do you think that will sustain? Right? Do you think it will sustain? If you think yes, type in yes. If you think no, type in no. So you've got to actually start looking at, where whatever you're learning, you're actually throwing in garbage. I'm sorry to say, this is how it is. If you're not recalling it within the first 24 hours and at least one recall within the next 72 hours, you're throwing entire thing into garbage. That means 90% of what you have actually read or attended goes out of you, gets leaked out, absolutely gone. Nothing is there with your brain. Okay, that's the hard truth. Okay, so there is a need, but however, the brain has a beautiful mechanism. It is like an alarm bell. You have a pot, you got a water. If somebody goes and puts that alarm bell, what happens? The water gets automatically filled. That means you have more time for the water to get out before it empties. The alarm bell is nothing but recalling. Now the question is, when you want to actually recall it, when you want to fill this water, and you know that this filling water is a continuous process, do you want this one to be absolutely faster mechanism, or it has to be slow? If it is faster, type in fast. If it is slow, type in slow. How do you want to refill the water? You want to refill the water faster or slower? Fast, right? So Sarvana says fast, Prashant says fast. Absolutely, guys, you want to, Hema also says fast. Absolutely, you want to fill your water very fast. If you're not actually doing it, you're running out of time. Now, most important thing is this recall button or alarm which I'm going to press is nothing but recalling what I've studied. But if I'm looking at, if I've attended a full 1 day seminar or 1 day class, I can't be taking the 1 day to recall it. If I do that, nobody is going to recall it. It's pure waste of time. So that is where what happens is the notes that you have taken helps you out. So what happens with the traditional method of taking the notes? The problem with the traditional mechanism of taking the notes is that, you go to a different seminar, they'll give you a hand, one small booklet that is sufficient to take the notes for that particular session. You take all those beautiful notes with the hard work and you come home, you don't know where you will keep it, right? So next time when you want to actually recall that, you will end up searching this notes, correct? How many of you had this problem? Tell me honestly. I had it personally before I started it. Just type in, be honest, guys. The more you are honest, the better it's going to be. Yeah. Sarvana says, Prashant says, yeah, Hema says, Praveen says, yes, everybody has this problem. Now the question is, if you are attending and over the period of time, look at this, over the period of time, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years time the line, you have attended, for example, some 30 seminars. You have paid bomb, right? Bomb of money. It's not that nowadays, if you really want to go with a, confidence, I mean, there are multiple things, right? You can go to a seminar which is very cheap, or you can go to a seminar which is very valuable, where speaker actually can come and talk to you in a very, very serious manner, right? So if you definitely want to go and learn from most experienced people, they're never cheap, right? So when you're going with that, what happens? You spend a lot of money. And so after spending that money, keeping the notes somewhere else is absolutely gone. Okay. So first of all, start valuing your time, start valuing your resources that you've already spent, right? So that is one thing that you want to focus on, right? Recalling is the key. Okay. By using mind maps, you will be able to save 92% of your time. Can you imagine? 92% of your time can be, saved if you start using the mind maps. So all these advantages I'm telling you based on the practical implementation. So I want all of you to pay special attention, and I want you to focus on this. The reason why I'm actually looking at this, until I make your why stronger, you will not be using this mind maps to the core actually. So my focus is to make your why strong, because the moment it happens, the magic is going to happen, right? The second thing, how many of you want to build a fantastic relationship or with the speaker who is the expert with whom you have actually spoken with? Tell me, how many of you want to do that with your speakers? Tell me, I do, or I want. Type in. You assume that you have attended a seminar, you have actually absolutely, you are a big fan of that speaker, and you want to establish a fantastic relationship with that speaker in very less amount of time. Yeah. So most of you are saying yes. Vijay says yes. Prashant, I do. Hema, Sarvana, Chandini, everybody, right? Why not? If you're going to a seminar, looking at an expert, correct? Because you're going to that seminar because you want to learn from him, and you're already sold. That's why you're going. And why not to establish a very good relationship with him? So like a guru and sibling. I mean, basically student relationship. Why not, right? I'll tell you one secret thing, how I build a relationship with the great speakers. Boy, do you want to know that? Do you want to know that secret? Type in, bring it on. BOI. Type in, bring it on. Yes, bring it on, guys. Yes. Yes. I'm going to stop my share for a minute, and I'm going to show you something, okay? How exactly these things can actually create a magic. So this is very, very important, guys. So you got to learn the trick. It's not that if you have to go in a traditional method of speaking to people, and you want to establish a good relationship with them, it will take years together, guys. And I don't know how much money you'll end up spending. Absolutely, you will have I don't know how much of time that you would end up spending, and how much resources, and you don't know whether you're going to do it or not, right? So let me share you this. Can you see this mind map? Guys, can you see this mind map? So this is one of the seminars which I attended for a person called Jian Yong. Okay, he's a Singapore speaker and he's a multimillionaire. He's a founder of the Happy Fish. What I did was I attended a seminar, and after the seminar is over, I created a mind map of his own content. I am not taking anything new. There is nothing I need to worry about it. I took the same content which he told in his mind map in a seminar, and I created this beautiful mind map. Okay, and it took me some time. Okay, there is definitely an investment of time that is going to happen before if I'm going to make this one, and it took me a couple of hours. Okay, and after this was done, I shared this with the speaker. Okay, I sent this with the speaker. Can you imagine what would be his reaction? Can you imagine what would be his reaction? If you can imagine what I am saying, type in aha, wow, correct? Type in aha, wow. Impressive, right? Impressive. So what is that I did? Or there are a couple of advantages of taking this approach, right? One is, first of all, I'm making a notes. I'm attentive in the class. And second thing is, when you are having a speaker, there's so many people surrounding to him. You can't actually go and speak to him like that. And even if you speak to him, he may not remember you. If you prepare something of this sort, of a notes, and send it to him and ask him, hey, I recently attended your seminar and I felt that your seminar was very impressive. I created a very quick notes. Can you just review this and let me know how is this? Is that whether I have captured everything rightly? You would see the magic coming through. Okay, so guys, these are the secrets that I'm going to teach you. I'm telling you guys, these are the things which will build the relationship with the speaker instantaneously with the wow factor. Okay, and anytime, even if you're able to reach out to them after 6 months, 1 year, and quote that you are the person who sent the mind map of his session, he will say, oh yeah, even if he forgets your name, he'll not forget your work. Okay, so that's how you build a relationship. You got to think of an impressive method of building it. So today morning also I had a session, with the one of the interview was Resh with Surendran was happening, and during the session I took the mind map notes, and I took this mind map notes and I shared it with everybody. If part of the people who are there as part of the community, they will know. You know what? I shared this notes separately to Resh and also separately to the speaker. And speaker verified the notes and it said, wow, Karthik, you have captured every single thing which is there, right? So imagine the kind of impression that you're going to build. Okay, so guys, what I'm teaching you are gold. Okay, this is a life skill. This is a kind of a life skill that you can carry on for throughout your life. What I'm teaching you is gold, because these are the things not only that you can apply for yourself, you're going to apply for your family as well, right? It's not for whenever you go for one particular seminar and thing, most likely it will be for one person thing, that you're focusing on you. I'm talking about for the whole family. You can apply this, you can teach this to your kids, you can apply it to your personal life, you can apply this to a business, you can apply this to build the relationship. Okay, and this is something, you are preparing the notes for your lifetime. You're preparing the notes for your lifetime, lifetime. So you prepare the notes and organize in a very clear manner in a specific folder structure. You will be able to capture, you will be able to recall all the notes after a few minutes. So I'll challenge you, anybody who has attended the meeting or any of the seminar with me, I've got my mind map notes. if you go and actually look at those notes, even after few years, I'm challenging you guys, even if you look at this after few many years and go through this, it will, as maybe initially you will have some hiccups, but once you start going through the entire thing, it is like a movie coming through it. Okay, in this particular session, first session, they spoke about this topic and this is the how, and then you will start recalling everything. Remember, when you're preparing a mind map, it is not necessary that you have to capture everything. Those are all the points which are important things that you have to capture. Okay, so are you guys understanding the importance of the mind maps, guys? If you're understanding, then type in gold nuggets, type in gold. Yeah, so Prashant says gold, Praveen says gold, Chandani gold, Savana says gold. Absolutely, guys, this is a multiple things, it serves multiple things. One is, personally, you're taking a notes for a lifetime. You're going to actually build a relationship with the speakers, and you're bringing the value to the speaker, building, you are also providing the value to your fellow attending people, right? So attendees, so what happens is, you are there, not only you're helping yourself, you're helping other people also who are surrounding to you. So you can share the notes with them, and they will be very happy and they're thankful. So I strongly believe in giving. The more you give, the more you will be able to get it, right? So the focus is that, now as I'm mentioning, I'm going to focus on making your mind map, why stronger and stronger. Another important thing, this is a memory technique, guys. Whatever I'm talking or whatever I'm teaching is a memory technique, a memory technique which doesn't require a lot of your memory. Okay, that's the beauty of this. So now another important thing, when it comes to the practical implementation of mind maps, right? So we will get started today, right now. Okay, all of you have got your paper and pen ready? Do you have your paper and pen ready, guys? If you don't have it, I'm going to give you, just 2 minutes. Quickly go and grab your paper and pen. Those who have already got it, type in ready. Okay. Okay, Chandani says ready. Saravana says ready. Prashant ready. Okay. Who else? We still have few more people actually looking at. Ready. Prashant says ready. Nice. Hema says ready. So let me stop the share and let's start with the hands-on. Okay, we'll start with the hands-on. We'll start doing it right away as we are speaking, because I know once we move out of this, many of you will become busy. You will not have time to do this. So I don't want that to happen. I want the practice to happen here right now when we are here. Okay, and then you can start building on top of it. So okay, so let me know if everybody is ready. Vijaya ready, Prashant ready, yeah, Hema ready. Fine, then let's get started, guys. So what we are going to do is, I'm not going to use the technology for now. Let's hold on the technology. Basically, let's look at making hands-on. So I always try, using the, even today, every single day, I use mind maps, and I use paper and pen to write my initial mind map of the day. Always I start with paper and pen. I'll tell you why. See, no matter how we are good in the technology and other stuff, we are still humans. It's very important that our brain and our other organs like hands get a proper synchronization that could happen. So to have this proper synchronization to happen, it's very important that we need to practice. Start writing it on the paper. When you start writing it on the paper, that is where this magic happens. There will be both, you will have in the brain both left and right, both parts are there. So when you start using a diagrammatic along with the with the content that you're typing, that you're trying to write, both the sides of your brain gets activated. So it's very important. So maybe we'll cover about this brain psychology and how it works, and sometimes later another thing. Now that is not the topic of discussion. The topic today is to start with the mind maps. So the best way to get started with the mind map is starting with your paper and pen. And this paper and pen, I'm going to take out the PowerPoint so that I can also draw with you guys and you can share. You can actually have a look at it. And can you see this PowerPoint, guys? Just type in, if you can see, type in C, S-E-E, type in C. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Yes, absolutely fine. Yeah, so Hema says, okay, Sarvana says, Prashant, Chandini, everybody see. Yeah, fantastic, guys. Now let's get started. So now let's draw this. So most of you might have attended my visualization exercise, but if you have not attended, that's okay. We'll do it in the upcoming times. All I want you to do is you draw a sun like this. How we used to write this in our childhood days. Let's go back to this childhood, guys. It's really, really awesome, right? Just write it. Just write it. Is it simple? Is it simple? Is it easy? Just type in easy. If you see this as an easy, just type in easy, easy. Yes, 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 yes. Damn easy, right? Guys, whatever I'll be teaching, right? Most of the things, whatever I'm going to teach, I will try my best to simplify it. Because see, if you really look at when it comes to, many people fail in the implementation. The number one reason why they fail in the implementation is we don't make it easy. We always make the things complicated. The more easy you make it, the better it will be for you. So if you look at the entire thing, the way I will explain, the way I will actually focus on explaining entire thing, it will be very, very simple manner. It takes a lot of effort to simplify the things, guys. Do you agree? So you got to understand the complex things and put it in a very, very simple manner. So I hope at the end of the session you'll be able to appreciate how much I have simplified the concept. Going through so many books, so many courses and everything, I'm trying to make it damn easy for you guys. Okay. Now this is a mind map that you guys have started. So congratulations, all of you. If you have never written a mind map, you've already just drawn the first mind map of your mind, of your life. If you've already done, fantastic. So mind map is so simple, so easy like this, right? Now, what is the hard part? The hard part about mind map is application of the mind map is the hard part. Now, this is how our brain thinks actually. So there are two ways of looking at. One is linear thinking, otherwise the non-linear way of thinking it. Now I will be shuffling between the hands-on on the paper and also to the mind maps that we are actually looking at, right? So that means I just want to make sure that you are actually doing it and you're also with me, right? Now, another reason why I'm looking at the mind map is the brain works in two different ways, okay? Brain has an unlimited capacity, okay? So the brain has an unlimited capacity. So it is up to you how much you want to grab it. Okay, it's up to you how much you want to grab it. Now, let me illustrate with a common man's language. Okay, in the common man's language. So in a common man's language, if I have to tell, so you have a river which is flowing in front of you. Okay, so you have a river which is flowing in front of you. So you have a capability of going and actually grabbing whatever the amount of water that you want. The nature is very, very genius. I mean, very, very kind to us. Okay. Now it is up to us. You're going near the sea, near to the river. How much water you want to carry? How much water you can grab? The first thing what you're going to do is we are going to go there. We'll take the water in our hands actually. Okay. In our, both of our hands. How much water that you can carry? And how long can you hold this water? Can you actually put the quantity? Probably let's take one common terminology, a very small quantity. Put small quantity if you are taking it from hands. Small quantity. Type in small quantity, right? And this small quantity you cannot carry it for a long time. Correct? This small quantity you cannot carry it for a long time. So what happens with this? So next thing, what I'm going to give you is, I'm going to give you a bucket to carry the water from the river. So how much water you can carry? Just type in bucketful. Just type in bucketful. Or you can just type in BF, be full, be full, be full. Yeah, bucket. Yeah, so you can type in bucket, be full, anything, bucket full, right? Bucket full. So you can carry the water that is equivalent to bucket full. Now next, I'm going to give you a tractor or a tanker. Let me make it simple. I'm going to give a tanker, and you're allowed to carry the water that is full of tanker. So now, how much water you can carry? So if you can type in tanker full, TF, you can type TF, tanker full. Yeah, you can type in tanker full, TF. Yes, correct. Absolutely, guys. Yes. Sarvana, Chandini, everybody saying now thankful. Absolutely, guys. Now I'm going to tell you this one. It is, human brain is like that. It has such an unlimited capacity. It is up to you what kind of carrier that you're going to carry to get the water. You're carrying with bucket, you will get bucket full of water. You're carrying the tank, you will get the tank full of water. So now the question is, what is that carrier that you want to develop? Okay, so I'm started with the mind maps, but I'm seeing that it's actually, I need to spend more time on the mind also, because that is going to help you guys a lot. Now there are different techniques to actually develop this. Initially you have gone with your handful of water, then you changed this to, then you realize, okay, I can only grab only this much of water. Then you're going and grabbing a bucket, then you got a bucket full of water. Then you realize that is not sufficient for the whole family. Then you're going with a tanker, and then the tanker also, maybe it is going to last for a couple of days. Now if you really want to get maximum amount of the water flowing in, you got to dug the tunnel. Correct, you got to create a channel that water comes to your place every single time, without much effort. But to actually dig the tunnel, there is a work, and that work is not easy. Okay, so if you dig a tunnel, or if you dig a channel, how much water you can get, guys? How much water? How much water you'll get? So if it is channel full, type in channel fulls. Unlimited, yes, unlimited, absolutely. Channel full, unlimited water. You're going to get an unlimited water, guys. You're going to get unlimited water. But again, remember, till the time you have your channel built, there is a work. It is not going to be easy. But once you do it, you're going to enjoy your reward for a lifetime. Now, what I'm going to teach you guys is not about building the, starting with, currently most of you are in this position of grabbing only some amount of water. Now what I'm going to talk about is, now you're going to move from carrying this from your handful to bucketful, and from bucketful you will be moving to the tanker full, and from tanker full you will be moving to the channel full, or the unlimited capacity. Okay, are you getting it, guys? Are you understanding the depth and the benefit you're going to get by continuously attending this mastermind that we are looking at? Are you getting it? If you're excited, type in excited. Type in excited. Yes. Chandini, yep. Prashant says excited. Absolutely, guys. Saravana, I'm going to tell you guys, this is a life skill. Okay, life skill for the whole family. Okay, life skill for the whole family actually. And I'll show you some of the probably in subsequent sessions you'll be blown away how you can use this mind maps with the different methods, how you can implement in your personal life and all those kind of things. We'll also talk about business life, how you can actually look at everything for that matter. We'll continue to do this. I'm not going to be stopping here. I want to give you maximum value to all of you, because to be honest, I'm not doing this for money because I have other source of income that takes care of me. But this is something that has personally changed my life. This gives me a lot of time. This gives me a lot of liberty to do a lot of, social activities that I can do, right? Because that's why I wanted to share with all of you guys, so you get maximum benefit of it. So whatever the time that you're going to save because of whatever I'm teaching, I request all of you, use this time to help somebody else, different charity or NGOs and other stuff. And or probably some amount of time you definitely, spend with your family and other stuff. It's going to be really, really awesome. We need to, give the time to others as well, right? Yeah, so that's the beauty of it. Okay, now let me to make this happen, we have to change the way that we are thinking. So the brain works in two different ways actually. So one is called as the linear way of thinking. Okay, other one is called as the radial way of thinking. Okay, if I just explain you the linear way of thinking and the radial way of thinking, some of you might actually understand, some of you might not understand, right? Now let us take an exercise, of something called as a jump clip. So how many of you have heard about this jump clip? If you have heard about jump clip, type in jump clips. Nope. Okay, so you have not heard. Let me Google it. Okay, I'll show you the jump clips quickly. So you have actually seen it. You probably are not visualizing that is the jump clip actually. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll just show you right away what a jump clip would look like. So let me share my screen. Yeah, so it's a clip used to clip paper. That's absolutely right, guys. You got it right. So let me share my screen here. See this? Can you see this? Type in if you can see this. Type in gem clips. Yeah. Paper clips. Absolutely, yes. Now, this is what actually we're going to look at. Now, we're going to use this for our exercise. Okay, so some of them which I'll be teaching will be something crazy things, guys, and take it in the life with the right spirit, and this is going to change your life. I can assure you that if you start doing the way I'm teaching, if you start implementing it, no matter whatever you're picking in your life, you'll excel. You'll excel in no time actually, right? So now let's take this is going to be an exercise, and this exercise we've got a rule actually. The rule for this particular exercise is that you are going to get 1 minute. Okay, let me write down the rules here. Okay, the rules of the exercise is that you're going to get 1 minute time. Okay, I'll have my timer here which I'll use to get started with this. In this 1 minute time, you have to take the radial, whatever you have seen the jump clip, and you have to say that you have to actually write down the application of this particular jump clips. Meaning, when I'm saying how do you write the application of the jump clip, means you have to figure out, you have to write basically jump clips can be used where and all. For example, you can use it to fold your paper. That's one application, right? Similarly, whatever the applications that you can list out, all those applications you have to start listing. Is it clear? Is the instructions clear? If you're clear, type in clear. If you're not clear, type in you're not clear. I can again explain, no issues. But it's important you understand it. If you are clear, type in clear, repeat. Okay, let me repeat it, no problem. Even one person says repeat, I am happy to repeat that. The rule is that I'm going to give you 1 minute of time, and in this 1 minute of time, you have seen the jump clip. You have to write down where and all this jump clip can be used. For example, this can be used for paper, holding the paper. So that is your first application you have written. Similarly, start typing where and all you can use it. You will have a time for 1 minute. As soon as that 1 minute is over, you got to stop it. I'll ask all of you guys how many applications or how many users that you have listed out. That's all, very simple. Is it clear? If it is clear, type in clear. Yes. Chandini says clear. Yes. Yeah. Sarvana says clear. Super. Okay. If you are clear, now we're going to get started, and your time starts now. Yeah, you've got 60 seconds. Please go ahead and write it. So that is good. Focus, focus. 30 seconds over. Don't write, Manisha, don't write it here. You can write it on the paper. You should not leak the question paper. I mean, answer paper. So it's a creativity. So we want people to write, think, because we are not just stopping with this. There is another one. No, don't worry. Whatever is still you put in, that's okay. Don't put further things. No problem. Yes, that's okay. Yeah, your time stop. 60 seconds over. Please stop it. Please stop it. Guys, be honest. Stop it. No cheating. No cheating, guys. Stop it. Your 60 seconds. Now, what I want you to do is just type in the, don't type in the applications. Just type in how many of them you are able to write. For example, if you're listed 7, type in 7. If you're listed 8, just type in, yes, 6. Yeah, 10, 6, 4, 6. Yeah, Vijay 8, Manisha 10, Prashant 6, Sarvana 4, Chandini 6. Yes, Abdul 3, yes. Absolutely, guys. So you have listed out now. Okay. This method is called as linear way of thinking. Okay. Whatever you did just now is called as a linear way of thinking. Now we will repeat the same exercise. Once again, the time remains the same, 1 minute, but there's a change in the rule that we are going to do it. The change in the rule is, for the next 1 minute, you will write down what are the different ways of not using this paper clip or gem clip. That means you cannot use this paper clip in this one. For example, paper clip I cannot use in kitchen. Okay. You can say paper clip I cannot use in for some thing, 1, 2, 3, 4 you can write. So wherever you cannot use the paper clip or gem clip, you're going to write that. Okay. And after you're writing it, again, you're going to tell me how many you have listed out. Okay. Is the instruction clear? If you're clear, type in clear. If you're not clear, type in not clear. Clear. Fantastic. Yes. Prashant says clear. Sarvana says clear. Chandini says clear. Okay. Fine, guys. Now, I'm going to give you 1 minute. Same 1 minute. You're going to have your time and you're going to repeat the same thing. Okay. Your time starts now. Don't think too much. Whatever is coming in your mind, you just start writing. The key is start writing. Keep writing, keep writing, keep writing. Your time is still not done. It's still not done. So if you've already done many things, fantastic. You keep continuing, keep continuing. "35 seconds over." So now we are actually around, yeah, so we're coming to 50-second mark actually. Yeah, 50 seconds over. Last 10 seconds, guys. Last 10 seconds. And stop it. Stop it. No cheating. Stop, stop, stop. Let me know the score. Go on. Let me know the score, guys. Abdul 7, Manisha 16. Very nice. Sarvana 5, Vijaya 6, Chandani 8. 9. Prashant 8. Fantastic. Absolutely. Has your numbers got increased, guys? Did you observe the numbers got increased? Whatever you had written earlier, now the numbers have increased? Yes? Okay, for Vijaya probably it's the same number. That's okay. So let's see majority of them. I see for majority of the people the numbers have increased. Yeah, Prashant says yes, Chandani says yes, Sarvana says yes, only Vijay says no, no problem. Now the actual thing is not over. Now the real fun is coming now. Now we have listed out the gem clips application and we have told that it is going to helpful. It is helpful. Second one is where and all you cannot use it. Now we are going to continue this exercise for 1 more minute. Let me explain the rules. The rules is that whatever you have listed in your paper stating that this particular thing cannot be used, correct? Whatever the paper clip cannot be used, think of how you can make it usable. Think of how you can make it usable. I will illustrate with an example. So you have written like paper clip cannot be used in kitchen. So what I'm going to say is you take the paper clip, okay? You unfold it and make it like a very thin wire and use this to clean my sink. Use this to clean the stove in your kitchen. Are you guys getting? Is the instructions clear? Yes. Is the instructions clear? Type in clear. Or you can type in CLR. CLR. Clear. Absolutely, guys. You will now enjoy it. Okay. Now you're going to get 1 minute. So wherever you have written that it is not applicable, okay, wherever you have written that you can't use your paper clip here, you're going to convert it into use. Now you've got 1 minute time. I'm going to start my timer on my count. Get set, started. Go. You got absolutely 1 minute, guys. So you'll be amazed to see, the kind of results that it can actually bring in. So we can imagine the kind of, things that can go on actually with this. 30 seconds over. So we're actually getting started with around, 45 seconds over. Yeah. So almost now 55 seconds over. Yeah, 1 minute done. Stop. Time is up. Now tell me how many things that you moved from non-application to application. Manisha says 9. Wow, Manisha. Absolutely fantastic. Prashant says he moved 5 out of them. Very nice. Vijaya says 7. Wow, Vijaya. You're also doing good. Sarvana says 5. Abdul says 4. Chandini says 5. Guys, isn't it amazing? Just type in amazing if you're actually, really start appreciating what you just did. Type in amazing, amazed. Amazing, right? Amazing. See, everything's same. You are the same person. Exercise was the same. I gave the exercise to all of you in a similar manner. All I did was only one thing. I just changed one approach of mine. I tweaked the approach, one small tweak. What happened? The linear what you are getting, the number literally doubled, right? For most of you, this literally you have doubled it. Correct? Are you understanding the value of this, guys? Are you able to visualize in just few minutes when I'm sitting with you guys, just doing one single exercise? Nothing has changed. Everything is same. You are the same person. You got the same education. You have got the same background. Everybody actually. I know you are different people are coming with the different backgrounds. Irrespective of the background, whatever I'm applying, asking you to do it, entire thing is changing. Absolutely, it's a transformational in the way you are thinking. That is what we call it as radial way of thinking. So you can actually take your thinking. What we are doing is really basic, guys. I'm telling you, this is basic. You can actually, build a multi-million dollar business in the way of what you're actually looking at. You can use these techniques to actually, create a lot of social media campaigns, and how you can make your contents virals and other stuff. You can apply this into design thinking. There's so many applications. I'm just giving you the starter actually. If you start looking at right now, if you start looking at the way it is the same brain has enhanced it the way it is looking at. Now let's start thinking of this. If you can start applying the simple technique what I have taught you to solve any of the problem in your life, it can be personal problem, it can be business problem, or it can be anything for that matter. The solution, instead of getting your one single solution, you will get many solutions. Are you happy for whenever you get a problem? Are you happy if you have a multiple solutions? Type in happy, or just type in the happy symbol, guys. Are you happy with that? Happy? Yes. Whenever you get a problem, you are looking at solving that problem, but you want to get started with the different ways of it, you won't be blown away, right? Now, this one exercise that we did. So now what happens, what it did with the linear and the radial way of thinking, if you start using the mind map, automatically this change will happen. Are you getting it? Are you getting the importance of the sentence I'm telling? If you start using the mind map on a day-to-day basis, whatever you did the exercise of linear and radial separately, and then converting this, all this process, that what you did will happen automatically. As you keep on using more and more mind maps, more and more time, when you start writing it in the first time only, you will start writing it. And the more you practice, the more this will become, bigger and bigger. Are you getting the importance of it? So if you're getting the importance of this particular thing, type in gold. Type in gold. Okay. Now let's come to the implementation part. Okay. So I will more focus on the implementation part, guys. Wherever is possible, my focus will be to focus on implementation, because if you implement, you just realized what you are capable of doing it. We just need to enable your thought process in the right way. So now I'm going to go to the PowerPoint, where we have just wrote, right, a few minutes back. We have started, we have written the sun. The same sun, what we are going to do is we are going to enhance it. How are we going to enhance it? Let's see here. Now, any single day, what you're going to do, anything, whatever you want to do it in your life, you want to solve a problem, you write down your problem statement here. Okay. And whatever you think is the probable solution, it need not be the right thing. Okay. Whatever you think is the probable solution, you will start writing it here. I'm going to write it as S1. I'm going to write it as S2. And I'm going to write it as S3. I'm going to write it as S4. Okay. And I'm going to write it as S5. Remember, when you start writing it, it is not necessary that you have to fill up all the branches. Remember, you need not have to fill all the branches. All you have to do is you have to fill only a certain portion of it. Okay. Even if you're not able to do it, don't worry. You can always come back and fill this up. This is the beauty of mind maps. You don't need to get a solution, everything in one go. If you start using this, there are two problems you're going to solve. One is your problem of looking for perfection. You want to actually make that, okay, I'm going to make it perfect, then only I'm going to start it. and the start never happens. So that is one thing problem you will be able to solve. The second problem you're going to solve is you will start focusing towards your implementation, because when you start using the mind map, the more and more focus you'll be able to develop it. Okay, now I want all of you to pick one particular problem that you are actually facing right now. Okay, and do this, this exercise. I want you to do this offline. Okay, before we have our next session, I'll let you know probably in next 1 week's time and other stuff. I want to hear more from you guys. I want to take more feedback actually. So before we do that, this is one important exercise. You pick any problem in your day-to-day life that you are having, do this exercise. This is very, very simple, and there are some instructions that you need to follow. Okay, so the first instruction is that you have to always use a blank paper. Don't use something which is already written. Okay, that would be very cheap for this exercise. I'm telling you guys, there's a science behind it, and the science is you will be able to maximize your thinking when you start writing it on a blank paper. Okay, when everything is clear, when you don't have anything, there is no clutter, you'll be able to get the maximum benefit out of it. So what I do is I use a single side already used paper will be there. No, I use that one, because the other side is always blank. Okay, you don't need to borrow a new also, so that's a paper management, right? So yeah, how we'll come to know about this session, my friend shared the link today. Yeah, I can actually share it. Basically, I'll talk about that definitely. Okay, so now what will happen is you will be able to arrive at this particular mind maps. You start using this mind maps, and the blank paper is the key, and you have to write this in the center. Okay, why center? When you write it in the center, you have so much space. Your brain starts thinking, how do I fill this, how do I fill this, how do I fill this? So you will automatically start getting so many ideas coming in. But if you take a paper which is already half filled, okay, then your brain will limit its capacity, that okay, I just need to fill half. Remember I told you, the idea is that we are going to expand your brain to bucket full, tank full, and then to channel full. Then if you're not using the blank paper, you're already limiting yourself. You're not going to the next level. Okay, so please follow the rules. That is very, very essential. Absolutely, this is necessary. And if you're able to do that, you will start seeing the massive results. Okay, now I want to start with this. I want to hear some feedbacks from all of you guys, because I'm trying to, there's so many things. I've applied mind maps in so many different areas. I can teach you mind maps in every single area. Okay, but I want to listen and hear from you guys what exactly you want to hear in the subsequent sessions, which I want to carry on. I know many of you, some of you have already our paid members who have already paid it. That I'll tell you, that is just a formality, because I want to filter out the non-serious people with the serious people, so that I can give more value to it. I'll tell you, whatever the amount you're going to pay, whatever you have paid, you will get the value 10x, 20x, 30x. I don't know what x it will be. Okay, so it will be a lifelong thing that I'll start helping you to whatever time that I can help you out. Okay, so please tell me, what are the things that you want to hear actually in the upcoming days? Free software to make it. Yeah, I will cover that. I'll cover in the subsequent sessions. I'm going step by step. Yeah, go ahead. Guys, think over. If you need more time, probably you can think over. Um, so you have lost your mind maps. I mean, you've lost the rating, and you want to revise the webinar through mind map. Okay, so I want to enroll. Okay, fine. Ridyesh, fine, absolutely. And yeah, so basically, I'll tell you guys, I'm thinking in a different way. Okay, because I want to do this to help you, all of you guys. I don't want to spend my time in going and asking people, come and join my course and other stuff, because I'm not here to focus on that particular thing, because I want to give real value to the money. What I'm actually want to focus on is, I will ask you guys, what do you actually want? I will start building the curriculum based on that. Okay. And what I want you to do is, I want you to give, because you guys are already part of my, community, and you know what is the value that, do you guys think this is an amazing value, guys? You say amazing, just type in amazing, amazing, right? So this value is not for you. This is for your kids. This is for your personal life, professional life. This can be taught to your, family members, everybody. It's a lifelong, it's a life skill. Okay. So you can apply it anywhere, any people, right? So I want to focus on building this value. And for those people who have really feel that this is a real value, and what amount you are paying is peanuts, correct? So if you look at this, if you have going to a theater on one day with the family, you will actually get all the money back. So what I want to do is, I want this to actually reach out to more and more people. So for how do I reach out to more and more people? I want to actually make an affiliate program for this, which means if you are really benefited out of it, please share this with your family and friends. Whomever joins, you're going to get 75% commission on whatever the course fee that comes in, right? 75%, guys. I'm not talking about 50%. I'm talking about 75% of that. It will be given to you guys. Okay. So you're going to get a separate affiliate link. The moment they make the payment, the amount will directly get deposited into your bank account. There is no other things. We want to make it very, very transparent, and this is how it is. If I'm doing that, okay, that particular thing, and I want to focus on building this rather than focusing on marketing and other stuff, because I really don't want to make money out of it. If the money comes as a byproduct, that I'm good. But I want this to reach to more and more people, because this is a life skill. People are losing a lot of things, not knowing this. Okay. So I have other source of income which I can actually easily compensate, but this is something I'm doing out of my passion, right? So how many of you are very serious to pick this as an affiliate and promote it to all of your other people? And if you have any of your already a program and other stuff, I can come and actually give a session of how the mind maps can change their life, absolutely free. I don't need to worry about that. I'm focusing completely yeah. Then what I'm actually looking at is, that's the absolute way of looking at. Now I'm also looking at not restricting this to mind map alone, taking this to the whole mind actually, because I'm seeing when I'm start looking at the mind map in the subsequent days, how many of you feel that yes, shifting this, not restricting this with the mind map, but also helping us to grow our entire brain and thinking and other stuff is actually really good, that you guys feel. If you feel that, please give me a feedback, because I'll be thinking from my point of view. I again want to look at from all of your point of view how it will be considered, right? So just let me know. Is that okay if I look at from starting with mind maps? My primary things is, yeah, I'll continue with the mind maps in the initial days, and as and when it comes, I also want you guys to benefit out of enhancing your brain as well. How you can maximize your brain, another thing, because we just illustrated with just doing a gem clip. No matter how much I will tell you in the theory, it will not be helpful for you. The moment you experience, that's what it's going to be there. Okay, I'm saying yes, actually, most of it. That's great. And another thing I want to hear from all of you is, so great week. Okay, thank you. Another thing I want to hear, because I want to hear from the ground what is happening. So currently I am putting this mind map course at the price of 999 rupees. Okay. Do you think that price is reasonable? It is less or more? Tell me that. If you feel that I want to keep the same price, I'm okay to keep that with the same price. If you want to have it more or less, then let me know, whatever it is. So okay, reasonable, yeah. And you guys feel that if that is the price that people don't mind actually go and take it, and you guys also don't mind actually sharing with the people and getting them, right? So you think this is going to be a really value for money for that amount, right? What we are looking at. Fantastic, guys. Thank you for that feedback. That really means a lot to me, because many times for students you can make it low. I don't want to make it as a student package for now actually. I mean, basically, yeah, probably down the line we'll have a look at it. So I'm not talking about 1 hour session actually. I'm not looking at 1 hour session and leaving, because that's not going to help actually. So I want to actually focus on taking all of you guys to one level to another level. That cannot happen in one session. So I definitely need at least 2 to 3 months time. So which means every week I'm doing one session also, which means it will be like 6 to 8 sessions minimum I need. That's the minimum time frame that I have to look at. Maybe in that particular session we can include certain things for students. We can ask them to get their kids and other stuff. So that's how it is. So for those of you who are who are very keen with the way I explained, see, it's not about the topic, guys. It's one is topic, absolutely, mind map is the topic, and the other one is um, how I'm explaining. My approach also matters. So you got to actually look at that way also. If I don't know how many of you actually have attended any of the mind map session anytime. I don't know anybody who is teaching mind map to this extent, because I personally I'm one of the referee in the national memory championship at the India level, at the national level. So I have spoken with many people about the mind maps, who are the memory trainers who are there. Many of the people are training on different things. On the mind map, there are not many people who are teaching on mind map. Even if they're teaching only small portion of it. Okay, so that is why I want to focus on this. There's a very big gap actually, and if you are able to take this to every student of this country, every citizen of this country, that is what I want to reach out. And then amazing thing can happen. We can actually create an amazing country. Okay, we are all blessed with a beautiful brain, but only thing is the way we have been educated, they put the stops to it actually. Okay, so now I'm actually I just want to enable that. After thinking a lot of things, if we can enable that thinking, miracle is going to happen. So our country, India, will become fast, no matter who wants to stop it. Okay, so I'm just putting the same link once again, where I have written the mind map questions. The same link for those of you who are actually serious. And yeah, thank you, Chandani. Session was very clear, and yeah, thank you. And put in the questions that you have got, and give me any basic questions that you have got. Or suppose if you want to be a part of my affiliate thing, because I don't want to promote this outside. I'm very clear. I just want to focus on building the curriculum, and I'll start doing some of the sessions free. I don't mind actually doing that, but I want more and more of the people to get benefited out of it. Okay, so those are the things that I would like to get started with. For those who of you who are not the member of this, and who wants to become a member, okay, affiliate, but the only condition is if you want to promote um, you know the product, first of all you should know what I'm actually teaching, right? If you don't know what I'm teaching, then there's no point in sending this to different people, right? So just type in those suggestions, whatever you got. I'm more than happy to work on this, because I'm a very resilient person coming with this. I value the feedbacks a lot actually. Each and every feedback is very important for me, and based on that I'm going to actually structure this. It's all about structuring. What is it people need, and how exactly this is going to move to the next level is what I want to focus on. Okay, so then yeah, so some of you actually asked me how exactly you want to associate and all. Yeah, So I will, for those of you who are very serious about promoting this product, just update in the same question link, whatever I've got it. If you're interested in promoting your affiliate, want to become an affiliate of this course, I will create a separate link for you, so that you can actually, whenever you are promoting, you can actually promote using this link. So whoever gets it, they pay, the amount comes to our bucket, and your thing happens also in most of the similar time. It will be very less time that we are looking at. Okay. Where do we post the Google Docs after filling up? Are you able to edit it? The one which I have shared it. If you are not able to do it, I'm just trying to structure it only for first people. Okay, I'm giving my WhatsApp number. Only for now. Later on, I will not be sharing my WhatsApp number to majority of the people, but only for first few people I'll be having a direct connect. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me, and just tell your affiliate you are interested with the affiliate, and then I will actually set you this. Okay. And if you have any of these seminars that you want to structure it in a mind map way, how you want to create the presentation in mind maps and other stuff, that I'm planning to have one other session, which most of the people have asked for. And there are few other ideas that I'm thinking. Probably you guys can give me the feedback. I'm also looking at, based on Sridhar, who gave the very good feedback last time. Karanjay Sridhar, he wanted the mind map to be applied for film field. Okay, how the shooting can happen, how they can start with the movies, how they can do the screenplay, how we can use it for the story writing, for the script writing, how you can structure this and everything. In fact, we did one trial also with one of the famous director, correct Sridhar? So we started with that. Okay, that's an application that was specific to the film field. And similarly, what it could be a specific to your niche or in your area. So any of you wants to take this as a very big thing in your area of competence, right? Because some of you may be a doctor, some of you may be advocates, some of you may be in different things. This could be a very big opportunity for you guys, because you are the people who are in the initial league, right? If you are taking the action quickly and then want to develop something on that, let me know. I want to focus completely on building the curriculum and focusing on applying on specific areas, how this can be applied, how you can build an entire thing in a single one page actually. How do you summarize everything, right? So there are a lot of thinking, thought process needs to be done, and I want to focus on that. But other parts you guys can actually look at. So I'm more than happy to work in a collaborative mode on this particular thing, because I want to reach maximum people. I know as a single person I'll not be able to do that. Okay. Yeah, Arvind Kaushik. Yes, correct. Thank you. So we already did one session with Arvind Kaushik, and we did the initial planning, and I shared the mind map. We did a runtime mind map. Okay. So he was telling and I was typing, and he was seeing it online. The moment it is done, I shared it. I said, wow, right? So that's the kind of thing, think on the lines of localization, personalization, and personalization. Yes, a lot of things are there. In the subsequent thing, I'm also thinking about how do you write your goal in a mind map? How can you create a vision, your vision mapping in mind map and other stuff? There are a few things that I'm already planning. Yeah, so but I want to hear from you guys. Anything specific, I can include that as part of the when I'm covering. So is the frequency of doing once a week is a decent one?
Localization, personalization.
Yeah, Sridhar, I'll take that.
No, I forgot one more personalization. I'll recall it and put it again.
No problem. You can send it offline also. I'm okay with that. Okay. So these are the different ways I'm thinking. I'm giving you those ideas so that you can think in those lines, right? So we can create a checklist using a mind maps and so much. Okay. Right then. So thank you guys. And for those of you who wants to know about how do I get started, just a minute. I'll just pass on this this one. I'll just share you the link actually. So you can start attending in the subsequent days. So see, one of the most important thing, what I also observed is that this recalling session, is the most hard part of it. No matter how many sessions that you're attending, but if you're not recalling, everything, is gone actually. So have that very, very handy. Even if you're not doing anything for other things, just make sure that you're using it for recalling. That one application, because we come across a lot of things, and when we come across a lot of things, we don't use all the things that is taught in the class. Even if you're able to do it in one of them, absolutely fine actually. Okay, so 1 minute, and yeah, so do you have any questions? I have another 10 minutes before I can jump in. So if you have any questions, just you can type in link to connect. Yeah, so for now you just take my number. Okay, gamification, yes, just take my number, Manisha. So I'll sort out other things, because I'm trying to work on many things. I don't want any of those technical things to stop me from doing it. So I'm just getting started, and my apologies guys. Many of you have bought the course slightly, sometime back. After that I could not connect with you. I was hoping that you guys will be going through some of these courses, but after seeing that it was not happening, I thought, okay, it's important that I need to start connecting with you guys and start spending more and more time. And please do um, try this at your home with your kids. I'll tell you, the best way of learning is teaching this to somebody else. Okay, so go and teach this to the kids who are there in your house, or any of your friends who are there. Start with that. So initially you will get some questions, and you said, okay, this I was not knowing, how do I get started? So once you started getting those questions, you will actually come back to me saying that, okay Karthik, this is how do I get started with this, right? Yeah, so all those things can be a fantastic thing. Okay, so now with this actually, for those of you who wants to get started with me, who are not the members but you want to be part of the community, and actually invest in your life skill, right? It's your lifetime investment. So if you want to be doing that, then definitely message me on the WhatsApp. I'll send you the link to the payment. It's going to be 999 rupees. I don't want to do a hard selling. It's just that we are getting started. Okay, fine. Thank you guys. And even if you have any questions, let me know. And if you feel that you need something else to be covered as part of the curriculum, that also you can let me know. I'll try to see how that implementation can be done. And yeah, so that's the beauty of it, right? Thank you very much, and see you guys. See you in the next week. So I mean, another question I asked was, having this a weekly, do you think this is a good frequency? Just type in, guys, yes or no, yes or no. Monthly would be better. Monthly, okay, then weekly works fine. Week, okay. Okay, so guys, I've pasted the link of the InstaMoza link. So those who wants to actually make the payment, they can just go and buy it. It's just 999 rupees. So I think majority of you guys are doing weekly is better. Okay, I'm going to fix that. Is this timing is suitable? 3 to 4:30. Do you feel this is the right time, or do we need to change? Yes. Okay. So Prashant says yes. Okay, Dr. Ravi Kumar also says weekly events better. Yeah. Okay, if you feel that this time is better, this is fine. Okay, Chandni is also saying this time is better. So let me freeze on this time. Can be late evening also. Suggest me, guys, what is better, this time or evening 8 o'clock or evening 9 o'clock? What works? Evening 7 o'clock. This time is better. Okay. Fine. So fine now. I'm going with this time because I see that majority of your the people have come at this time, and we'll continue to do this. And thank you so much. Thank you so much, because when you guys come in and listen to me, the best of mine will come out. Actually, I will challenge myself. I will come out with all my ideas, the value that I want to bring it to all of you guys. So it's not only that you are getting benefited, I'm also getting benefited. It's a win-win actually for both of us. And I would like to thank you, all of you, for coming and attending, and learn a lot of things, implement it. Learning is not enough. You have to become a master implementer. We'll also focus on that. How do you become master implementer using mind maps in subsequent days? You will see the magic actually. All right. Thank you once again, and I really appreciate all the time. Thank you. Bye.